Alright guys, welcome back to Shifting the Gear.
Hey guys, how's it? It's Polo and Fads, we're back with another segment for you today.
We've got something very special here today, don't we?
It's a Ford Mustang. Everyone knows a Ford, everyone knows a Mustang.
But this is not your typical Mustang, not at all.
It's not an average Mustang.
This is a GT350. It's actually a replica, but the owner, Tony, has done absolutely everything to this car, guys.
So he's bought a stock standard, and then of course he's transformed it into what you see today. We're going to go through and explain a couple of the features that he's actually added on. As you can tell, it's been modified from top to bottom.
And this is all done properly, genuine from Ford. It's got its plates, and he has not missed a single detail. When you go through this car, which we'll show you guys, it is incredible, and we'll be showing you everything we can.
All right, let's get into it, Paula.
Guys. All right, so guys, you've obviously seen Mustangs, you see them everywhere, but needless to say, you haven't seen one like this around many times at least. What can we say is different from this one?
The whole front end is completely different.
It's completely different.
You can just tell.
So first thing, just on the back, the bumper's been changed?
Yep, so it's a completely different bumper.
Yep.
So what the owner's actually done is change the whole front end, of course, to it, just to make it, to give it that mean look, and then that 350 GT look. And then also, yep, as you can tell, Paul, you're just right there with a badge.
Got a Cobra badge over there, big grille. That's all changed, and this massive diffuser. This looks like it's a 3 or 2 part diffuser at the least.
What do you think of it, Paula?
It's really mean. It looks very aggressive.
It's fat. It's actually, it stands out.
I see Mustangs every day, and just thinking about it in person and the difference, that's you can see the differences straight away. Even the little extended bit makes it look a bit wider. The whole diffuser, the way it comes out, it makes it look a lot wider and definitely not nice.
What do you think of the scoop? That's changed as well. He's changed the whole bonnet.
So the whole bonnet's been changed, I believe. Yes, and he's added he's got the stripe, got the GT350R badge.
So you can tell it's like a matte black in the middle with the red striping. You can, as you mentioned, the GT350R. That's also that he's put on there as well. Yeah.
We'll be getting a bit closer to the paint. You'll see it, guys. But this is a matte finish across the whole car. All right, guys. Just while we're at it as well, get a close up here. I just wanted to quickly show you just what I was talking about before. Even the covers for the bolter, little Shelby, badges. How cool is that?
I'll come closer.
The Cobra plate frame, everything. Moving along, these amazing Shelby wheels. Now these wheels are completely forged, and you can just, I can't tell you how clean they look. You can probably eat off it. That's how clean it is. Big it's caliper surroundings. Mean Michelin wheels. What are these?
I might actually come closer just to give you a better look. So the Michelin Sports, I believe.
How cool is that? Moving on to the side here, we've got the nice GT350 badge. Also, of course, good working air vents that actually do something.
Hey Paul, I can see your reflection.
You can?
I can actually see your reflection.
Over here, beautiful carbon fiber surround on the side mirrors. Even the little A-pillar cover here is that carbon fiber. You got the air vents here. Let's not forget the side skirts. Even this has been done.
It says Shelby on it too.
Yep. Now, if you actually, this is actually, you can actually see it's like
you can see it.
You can feel it. It says Shelby, guys. It's so cool. That's amazing. Can't miss the fuel cap there.
Shelby.
The Shelby's fuel cover. Moving on to the boot. Massive carbon fiber spoiler. How cool is that?
Wow.
Another Shelby Cobra little sticker there. There's another one at the top. You can just see there's nothing that he has missed. Everything's there. Coming along here, another GT350 badge, and of course the badge over here. And even if you go down a bit, you can actually see the Cobra exhaust surroundings. Cool. How cool is that? He's done everything to this. All right, now we've just put the hazards on so you can see actually what he's done as well is the blinkers are also upgraded. What he's done is put sequential lights on. So you can see on both sides. How amazing does that look? It's not your standard on, off. It looks really cool. You can just imagine just driving on the road, how good it will look.
All right guys, let's go straight into it. I'm going to show you inside the vehicle and show you everything that is actually cosmetically what is changed inside the vehicle. So come on through. Now what you'll notice, it's really cool. The Cobra, the Shelby right there, he's actually changed that throughout the vehicle. As you can see where you're opening the door, it actually says Shelby inside there. Now also where you actually grip the handle itself, he's changed that to the Shelby as well. Looks nice actually with the two-tone, the silver and of course the red. And then you can see all the trimmings around the speakers, and the air vents is also gone around, and I've put that nice red around it. It gives it that two-tone effect. this car itself looks like a Shelby. Now also, the seats are electric and leather seats, but also you can see around that trim there, he's also put the red. Even here it says Cobra. I love it. It says when you're adjusting your seat comfort, it says Cobra when you're pulling on that lever. And of course, your seat belt, it's important. It has to say Shelby. You know what I mean? Now, the steering wheel itself, as you can see, of course, yep, he's got that Cobra inside. Now, Paulo, what do you think as soon as you jump in?
Guys, this car is, yeah, it definitely stands out. It's just amazing the attention to detail this guy's put in here. The steering wheel's got the ultra suede, got the little sports race line in the middle. Make sure you're driving straight. All the accents around the, you know, the air vents. And we're gonna have to get a close up soon of these GT badges as well over here. So he's got all these, the chassis number, the Coyote 5-litre engine, obviously the badges there, everything.
Even the sill plates here, it says Shelby on them as well. So throughout the whole vehicle, you can tell that he's actually changed everything, Paulo.
Now these are the badges I was talking about earlier, guys. Just to make sure you haven't forgot you're in a Shelby GT350. All right, Fatty, what I'll do is I'll get you to start it up. Let's hear it.
Let's ready? Let's have a listen. Oh,
put it in the clutch, mate.
No, just in the key.
Oh. Why do we always forget the key?
I don't know. We always forget the key.
The most important part of starting a car.
Ready?
Go. That's the.
I was gonna press the tune for a second.
Oh wow, mate.
Can you hear that?
Almost forgot that you didn't know how to start a car, mate.
I did. For 1 second, I did. I forgot to actually start the vehicle itself.
It looks awesome, mate. It sounds amazing. Cool. Look at that. You know, what's the next thing, mate? Engine bay or drive?
I reckon we'll go engine bay. Let's go engine bay next.
I'm too excited.
Because there's a lot in there as well.
Yeah, all right, let's do it.
Let's go.
Oh, wow. Look at that, Fads.
Look at it. You know, it jumps up at you, doesn't it?
It does.
As soon as you open it, you can see so much.
You can't look away. Look at this.
Where do you start?
Stickers here, mate.
I'll start from the top already.
You can see the stickers there. Make sure you haven't forgot it's a Shelby. The Mustang plate here. And it is. If you actually, guys, if you come a bit closer here, mate, you can actually see the detail in which
the Cobra.
In the Cobra. This is it's something you probably wear on a necklace.
I like how it's actually engraved, Paula. Yeah. You can run your hands in it.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's really cool. It feels
Caps.
really nice.
Look at that.
Shelby. Water cooler cap. Over here you've got your bolts. Everything. Your headlight surroundings here, Fads, show them that.
Yeah, everything says Cobra. Even the little knickknacks, everything is changed to it.
We've got the strut bar, Ford Performance 350R.
So that's actually a genuine 350 GT.
Yeah, just to reiterate, guys, everything he's put on this car is genuine. He hasn't put any aftermarket or, you know, replica stuff. This is straight from Ford itself. Do you want to show him just the side of the engine bay as well?
Speaking about that,
don't forget that. That's it.
Yeah, so he's actually, of course, got the plate that he actually received from Ford itself, because they've actually been throughout the whole step that he's bought every single item from them. So they've kept everything and sent him a plate to prove that it's a replica as well.
Gorgeous engine, gorgeous engine. And this was actually shipped from the US, I believe.
Yeah.
So you got this plate here, manufactured by Shelby America Inc.
There's so much happening in the one place, isn't there?
So much happening.
You don't know where to look.
Yeah, there's even carbon fiber in these little. Yeah, look at that.
How good is it?
How cool is that?
So if we can just show the viewers, see that? It's all carbon fiber.
And don't forget this.
Oh,
just
look,
in case.
covers as well. They're all carbon fiber as well.
That's awesome, mate. That's awesome.
Impressive. That is impressive. I think now, Paulo, what I think we're gonna have to do is take this thing for a drive.
We have to, mate. We have to.
All right, let's do it. As you can tell, we're actually in the car. The driver's actually driving us around. Not too bad. It's actually comfortable. How are you back there, Paulo?
Yeah, mate. I'm just focusing on the sound.
Can you hear it rumble?
Yeah, it sounds great.
It's a big V8, isn't it? And that scoop looks amazing on top.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.
It's been a pleasure. I hope you guys have enjoyed as much as we have.
Yeah, we really enjoyed this one. It was good. We're trying to get to 1,000 subs, so please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. We love you all.
Everything.
And we'll see you soon.
Alright, thanks guys.